chicken Philly on a Blackstone.
Let me say that. Today we're doing chicken Phillies on a Blackstone Griddle. Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Griddle.
Greg, we're going to be doing that chicken Philly on the new Blackstone grill that we got, commonly referred to as a flat top.
Flat tops are really easy to cook on. A lot of people love them because they're so convenient. Just runs off the gas, you fire it up, it's ready to go in about 10 minutes, and just throw your food on.
We're going to be putting our own twist on the chicken Philly. You know, it's going to be more of a Bluff City grub Philly by the time we're done. I'm Joe.
I'm Greg.
Roll the intro.
So Joe, we're cooking chicken Phillies today. I hate peppers on my chicken Phillies.
Oh, Greg, you're lucked out, buddy. We're not doing peppers on our Philly. Phillies either come with or without onions. Of course, we'll be doing Bluff City Style, a little sweet heat, provolone cheese and onions, and Italian bread. It's the only way I know how to do it.
Man, it sounds good.
If you see something you like today, be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. All right, Greg, the first thing we want to do is just trim off any of this fat here, like we do in all of our videos. Now for the chicken Phillies, get some nice thin slices. I usually go long ways first and just thinly slice it. We're ready to get started here. We're looking for somewhere between $4 and $4.50 to get our chicken Philly started. Of course, this is Bluff City Philly. First thing we do is get some onions going off to the side here. We're gonna hit those with a little butter, let it melt in. And we're gonna get 2 rows of chicken going for our chicken Philly. All right, Greg, we're gonna be pretty active, keeping this chicken mixed up, keeping the onions going. We don't want anything to burn too much. We'll be flipping this about every three minutes or so. All right, Greg, one thing you do once you get it started here is you can salt and pepper to taste, but obviously here at Bluff City, we're gonna use our Bluff City rub to taste. Get that in. Of course, we're trying to mix this up every 3 minutes or so. And once this chicken gets hot, we'll be adding to our favorite hot sauce. For us, it'll be our Bluff City hot sauce. You better find that in the recipe below. We call it our Bluff City Sweet Heat. Sweet Heat goes great with the chicken Philly. All right, Greg, could you tip this with some cheese? Go ahead and top it with onions and be a chicken Philly. So here at Bluff City, we're going to put our Bluff City Sweet Heat sauce on here. Alright, we're just going to mix that up a little bit. Now, Greg, to give it a little creaminess right here with just a little bit of ranch. Just going to mix that in.
Man, it smells good. The sauce has a good color to it.
Alright, Greg, this is how we're going to finish it off. Now, you want yours with or without onions?
I'll load mine up.
Load yours up.
Everything but the kitchen sink. Hell, you can put that on there.
We'll do one with and one without onions. All I need to simply do now is top it with some provolone cheese. Take our Italian bread, just load it up. Give it a few minutes for the cheese to melt.
So you just set the bread right on top like that?
Absolutely. It'll pick up a little of that steam, a little bit of flavor. We don't toast breads for our chicken Phillies here. All right, Greg, I tore the bread here. I made a mistake. You know, we're not perfect around here. Just gonna go ahead and flip it over. Load all the good stuff on. One good thing about Phillies is they can be a mess. Stack that bread on. Oh, yeah, there you go, Greg. One more chicken Philly.
Pick it up.
Oh man, it's great. Got the spiciness, the chicken.
Bluff City. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Not bad, man.
I told you it was simple. Simple. That's simple right there.